Hello everybody. Apparently I was out here mowing. Right now it's July 2019 and this is my test bed. I've been putting together laying down some raised beds, and so basically this bed here is I just threw food scraps and just trying to get the soil up, and I tossed in a lot of debris from the house, and some of the things that I tossed in there were, and this was I guess during the winter time, fall maybe, I don't know, but I just tossed in avocado seeds thinking, if they grow that'd be nice. But what has happened is, first I noticed this one, and it was hidden. I pulled out a squash plant, and it was underneath the squash plant. And then I discovered that there was another volunteer here, and it popped up. This morning as I was cleaning out my pinto bean plants, which they just blew up here, and I just decided to let them grow. I found another avocado. Apparently you can see how stemmy it is because it was trying to grow through the foliage that I had here, and you can still see some of the other beans trying to pop up. And then as I was mowing, I was checking things out, and sure enough, number 4. So if you want avocado plants, just throw them in the dirt in the fall and they'll just spring up if you got the right kind of soil. So anyway, there you have it. I just didn't expect so many of them to pop up. So anyhow, thanks for watching.